Welcome to the tutorial how to set up your Qrosscheck system for the first time. The first page you will come to is the dashboard. Now there are some initial settings you must make before using the system. Go to the settings, which is located on the top right corner. We will start with the general settings. Set your default language. Set your preferred date format. You can choose between European or US. Add document types in the user profile for uploading documents. This setting will create a scroll window of pre-selected document types. Courses and gradings. Choose your preferred grading for completed lessons. Then we have practical course fields. This is for the aviation application only. Those are used for practical flight lessons. All fields may not be applicable to your organization. Simply deselect those that does not apply. Content types. Lessons has contents. This is a way to categorize your contents. It will help you in the future for development of courses. Aircraft. Add aircraft you're using in the system. Locations. This will create a scroll down window of pre-selected locations or airports. Booking objects. Those will appear in the booking module in the calendar. Finally is the exam and question categories. Create question categories here. Next setting is the company settings. Go to the settings menu and select company settings. Start with uploading your own logo. This will replace the Qrosscheck's logo in the top left corner. Upload then a digital signature that will be used for course completion certificates. Enter all company details in each field. If your company has an official approval number for your activity, enter it here and it will appear on certificates. The same goes for the person who is entitled to sign course completion certificates. Now move on to the user settings. Here you can manage user roles. An admin has full access and can also change company settings. A manager can add users but cannot assign a user role. A manager can also create and manage courses and exams. An instructor can access courses and exams and assign users but cannot edit or create courses or exams. Groups of users can be created here and users can belong to multiple groups. The settings for your company reports are done here. Create your own reports. Report recipient is a person who will receive all reports. Create report categories. That can be, for example, areas of responsibility, locations. Add a recipient for each category. Multiple recipients can be added. The name and text of the report fields can be changed to fit your operation. Now move on to notification settings. The system generates notifications for a number of events. Anyone who is set as admin will automatically receive all notifications. However, you may want to add additional recipients for areas, and those are added here. We have created a number of tutorials. Click on the help button, which is down on the right side. That will take you to our website. Here you can access the tutorials, which you can also access in the footer. Check out frequent asked questions or just drop us an email if you have any questions to support@qrosscheck.com. There are two tutorials, one for regular users, which is a simplified version, and one for admin. Here you will find a number of videos as well as a detailed description together with a step-by-step instruction of each module. If you can't find what you're looking for, just let us know. And welcome to Qrosscheck.